Hello, this is Jason, and it is my 1 month anniversary here in Da Nang, which means that I've got to, actually I've been here a little bit over a month, I think, because I didn't rent my motorcycle the first day I got here, but I have to return it today. So I do think it was worth having, although there are things that I didn't do on it that I kind of wish I did. One of those is making a drive to Hoi An, which is about 20-30 minutes drive, probably 20 minutes. So I didn't do that. Maybe I'll take a grab car down there. I don't know. We'll see. I still got about 9 more days left. I'm checking out of my current hotel on March 1st. Just like 3 days away. And then I'm coming back over here somewhere by I forget the name of the place, but it's over here somewhere. Something C. There's a lot of C hotel names though. C something. Let's see. Oh, no. Sail, Santa. I think it might be on this street. I don't know. This is where the bar is that I go to, local Tay bar. Go there and play pool. I haven't been there in a few nights. It's right somewhere. Oh, right here. Green doors are closed. Oh, this guy's trying to turn left. So this was a nice little electric scooter. I liked it. $100 for a month. Not bad at all. I would recommend it. And it's one of the few things that are actually legal to drive here. I'm not sure what the performance of a 50cc bike would be. Oh my god, oh my god. But this one's not too bad. When the battery gets low, it's, the performance dips as the battery gets lower. That's one difference between this and a petrol bike. It's a nice little happening street. These little restaurants. Looks like it rained earlier before I came out. Oh, I've been to this coffee shop. It's pretty cool. I might stop there on my way back. Get me a Cafe Saigon. That's what they have there. So I'm gonna have to walk back a little over a mile. Not too bad. Oh, and this Mixu. It's a ice cream place. I'm gonna stop there first. Come on. Ah, what the hell is that? I think it was just a can. At least I hope. All right, here's the place. And they are not open. Oh, yeah, they are. All right. Return?
Yes. Thank you.
Do I have to do anything? Sign anything?
Yeah, wait a moment.
Okay. All right, got it. $1 million down back. $1 million down. I guess it's a good thing I asked. That's about what was $1 million? For it's like $80 maybe? No, $40. Very beepy. Everyone's very beepy. It's just how they announce, so especially at the blind crossing, so you can hear someone's there when you can't see them. Mainly announcing the blind spots. The primary reason for beeping. Just saying, hey, I'm here. Hey, I'm here. Where beeping in America is like, hey, idiot. Move or look out, or it's something that's not good. Beeping in Vietnam is just, hey, here I am. Look at me. So I am kind of getting ready to move on to the next place. Next place is Saigon. I've already booked my flight. I booked a hotel for 1 week, right near the Bintang Market. It's one of the most popular and touristy markets in Saigon. So that's coming up on the 8th. And today is February 27th. And then I'm staying there probably until April 11th, 12th, something like that. And then I'm gonna go back to Thailand for Songkran, which is a water festival where everyone has like water fights. They have squirt guns and throw buckets of water on people. It's just everyone getting soaked. But it's supposed to be a fun time. And that lasts for like 3 to 5 days, depending on where you're at. I think it's the 13th, 14th, and 15th officially. But it kind of starts a day before and a day after. Oh, this is the cafe place. I already passed the ice cream. Yeah, it's right here. Did I walk past Mixu? Am I that blind? Yeah, I am that blind. It was way back there. I walked way past it. Yes, no ice cream cone. Instead, I will come over here and have a coffee. Oh, oh wait, this is not the place I was thinking of. It's always a gauntlet walking on the sidewalks here. The parking there and yeah, I'm kind of getting ready to explore new places. Although the weather in Da Nang, it's going to be hard to beat. Going back to Saigon, it's going to be up in the 90s again. Hot. Right now it's 80, and that's about as hot as it gets here. This is the cafe I wanted to go to. Sit here and chill by the road. Have a coffee. Hello. I want Cafe Saigon, the machine.
Okay. Milk or black?
What?
Milk or black?
Milk. All right, I had my coffee. It was good. About $1.25. And I gave him a 75-cent tip. He didn't understand. It's like, what? Yes, that's for you. Oh, thank you very much. Very happy with this 75-cent tip. It's all relative, I guess. 75 cents ain't nothing to me. But that could be like his hourly wage, I don't know. So I decided I am gonna walk back down here the way I came and get me an ice cream cone, because I'm an ice cream addict. I don't have it every day, but whenever I'm by one of these mix-you places, this is a Chinese company, Mix-you, and they've actually surpassed McDonald's and of having the most retail locations in the world. So that's how popular they are over here. They even have a few in the United States, and I think Los Angeles, New York City, some other place. There's just a few of them in the US, but in Asia, they're like everywhere. Find a Mix-you. And it's cheap. Like you can get I think the ice cream cone is 10,000 dong, which, let's see what that is, 38 cents for an ice cream cone. And it's a pretty good size. It's not a little stinky kid's cone. It's a decent amount of ice cream. I will show you. I will prove it to you. Here it is. Ooh. Xin chào. Ice cream cone? Ice cream cone? Mhm. Cảm ơn nha. Cảm ơn em. See, there we go. It's a nice size cone. Although I will say, like, compared to Dairy Queen, Dairy Queen's better. Dairy Queen's a lot more creamy, milky, where this is more a little bit like watery, icy. If you know what I mean. Little lower quality, but it's still tasty. It's 38 cents. Can't beat it. So I'm gonna go out here to this main road and then walk down towards the beach. Penang's a pretty cool, laid-back town, but there's not that much to do here. There's not many meetups. Well, it was really the Tet holiday really shut things down here. So that whole week, I was really bored. So I think that boredom's kind of built up in me. Just been taking my walks on the beach. I'm going to eat. There is a Vietnamese language meetup in a couple days we'll go to. I'm still trying to learn how to speak Vietnamese, but it's very difficult. Hopefully there'll be more meetups and events, things to do in Saigon. Like Bangkok, there's never sort of things to do. A lot of meetup stuff. So many people smoke here. The cigarettes are like 50 cents a pack. No real economic reason not to do it like there is almost everywhere else. That's cool. Now I got sticky fingers. Sticky fingers. No trash can in here? No. I do have a bottle of water in my pocket for my fingers. So if I find a place to throw away this trash. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Hoi An or not. It's a very touristy place. And it's in the UNESCO World Heritage something site. Ancient city.
पाणी कुठनं घेतलंय?
Oh, he's talking to me. I'm like, I don't know what you're saying, dude. Some lobsters, durian. Here's the trash can. Now let me wash my hands. Gas station. Almost all bikes. One car. That's a VinFast. I thought all VinFast cars were electric, but I guess not. Oh, there's a McDonald's. I didn't know that was there. They have ice cream too. Good to know, good to know. I will probably go there and have a Big Mac meal before I go. I already had one when I got here. I ordered it on Grab delivery about a month ago. But I haven't been eating McDonald's recently. And Highlands Coffee, I'm not going there anymore. I feel like it's a ripoff. They don't give you much coffee. It's like a little shot of coffee for $2. Come on. This other place though is good. The Cups coffee. They give you a nice amount of coffee. And it's good. So there's plenty of places to just relax and chill in Da Nang. But there's not that many places to go and do activities from what I've found. Unless it's going to like a bar to play pool, which that's cool. I don't want to get in the habit of going drinking at a bar and playing pool every night though. That's a bad habit. Like once or twice a week at most.
Red light for them. Red light for them. Oh, it's red light for us.
There's a gauntlet crossing the street, Frogger mode. There we go. All right, now I made it back to my more recognizable turf. I'm still gonna take my walk this evening too in about 5 hours from now. Pretty cloudy day. But the weather's not that bad temperature wise. Still 80 degrees. Well, there's another Cups Coffee right around the corner. Got this area locked down. So now I'm probably go back to the room, watch some YouTube videos, edit this video and schedule it to upload at some point in the future. I wish I had some more interesting things to show you today. But this is what I got. Sorry if I disappointed you. But this is the real life in Da Nang. This right here is definitely the main Da Nang activity, is just walking up and down this beach walk. The main source of entertainment. That and eating food. Well, my included breakfast every morning. It's my one big meal of the day. And that keeps me full pretty much till 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Then I'll have something else. I really could make it one meal a day and just eat that breakfast that's included, not spend any money on food. If I really had to. So I can definitely get in more than 2,000 calories at breakfast. They give me a big old thing of bacon. My hotel in Saigon does not include a breakfast, but it's still pretty cheap. It's like $19 a night, which is what I'm paying here with the breakfast though. But Saigon, I think, is a little bit more expensive than Da Nang. Oh, they went up there and cut the coconuts down. Locked the coconuts and got some wires too. I could go learn how to surf. It's only like a few bucks to rent a board per hour. Probably only a few bucks for instructions. The waves aren't that big. I do see a lot of people just sitting out there waiting for a wave. I've not yet got in the ocean. Maybe I'll do that once before I go. Although I don't have a waterproof camera anymore. This Pocket 3 is not waterproof. My phone, I guess, is waterproof, but I don't really like getting it in the salt water. Without like I used to have a little plastic bag. I might even still have that in my storage in Bangkok. Waterproof bag. So if I do go into the ocean, I'll probably not get video of it. Even taking like an Action 5 camera that is waterproof into the ocean, you gotta really rinse it off with fresh water afterwards. I've seen people, it gets like corrosion or rust and stuff if you leave the salt water on it. Get all like the little rubber bumpers off and wash underneath it. There's a smoothie place up here that's pretty good too. Maybe I'll go by and have me a mango smoothie. About $1.25. And these prices have like gone up 50 to 100% in like the past year or two. Because you could see people post like, if you're looking at a restaurant menu on Google, people like take pictures of the menu, and you can see the menu like a year, 2 years ago, and the prices are like half of what they are now. So it's still very affordable, but it used to be even more affordable. just a year or two ago. And I think that's mainly Da Nang. Maybe there's other less touristy places in Vietnam. You can go where the prices haven't gone up that much. So I think it's just the influx of tourists here. Foreigners willing to pay more for stuff, but the prices just keep going up and up. Hopefully that don't go on, keep going until it's not even affordable anymore, which is kind of what's happening in Thailand. Thailand's kind of getting expensive. All right, let's go have a mango smoothie. Not too far from my hotel now.
Yep, bro.
And here it is, right here. Xin chào. Mango smoothie. Em ăn nhé. These little chairs and tables. Oh. Thank you. Oh, look at that. We got a whole mango on there. $1.35. That's a good size smoothie. I've had this before and I didn't get this piece of mango. I guess they have a surplus of mangoes. It looks like they do. Look at all the mangoes over there. Nowhere in the West can you get a smoothie like this for $1.35. This would probably be like $6, $6 to $8. One I used to get in Brown Rock, but it was huge. I think it was like 15 bucks. Especially mango in the US is probably more. So that's like an imported fruit. I don't think they grow mangoes anywhere in the US. Game on. All right. So, I had a coffee, ice cream cone, and a smoothie for about $3 for all of it. This is so crazy. You can go here and get like an hour long foot massage for $8. Up the road is where I go and I get an hour long oil massage with hot stones for $8. Great prices. Yeah, so there I spent $3. And then later, you know, I'll go out to eat. Like if I go to my Banzao place, that's like $3 for a meal. And then if I go and get a massage, it's $8. So for like under $20 a day, I can, and I don't even get a massage every single day, but like under $20 a day is totally achievable cost of living, which is wild. Wild. All right, well, here's my hotel. The next couple more days. So thanks for hanging out with me, going for a little walk, turning my motorcycle, and that's all I got for this one. So talk to you later. Take it easy.